you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmari, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial look for Thanksgiving. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy watching beauty and lifestyle content, then be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you are not new, then welcome back to another video. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, before we get this video started, go check out my girl Prettygirl Sherrae. She makes awesome content, and go subscribe to her and turn on the notification bell and comment under her video. Let her know that I sent you, and I will put her channel in the description so you guys can go check her out. I'm gonna start off by doing my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use this LA Colors brow pomade, and it's in a shade soft brown. And I'm gonna use the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme brow gel, and it's in a shade warm golden blonde. I'm gonna use the Morphe concealer to clean up my eyebrows. Not what shade this was in, but it's one of the lightest shades. If you're a beginner, I would recommend applying a concealer on a brush and then onto your face, because you don't want to mess up your eyebrow. I'm gonna set the concealer using some setting powder, and this one is by Nika K New York. This is one of my favorite powders to set the concealer. Like, if you have a concealer that is dry and tacky, I would recommend using this powder, because it like smooths out the concealer, and it's like clean and stuff. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette that I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna take the bright orange shade that's in the palette, and I'm gonna put it I'm gonna use it as a transition color. So I only used a little bit of the orange shade because it's like a bright orange and I didn't want the eyeshadow to be too bright, so I just used a little bit. And right now I'm just packing on the eyeshadow before blending it out. Just packing it and then blending it out. So now I'm going in with a deeper orange, and this is like a neutral orange, but it's like a little darker, and I'm just using that to blend it in with the transition shade so that it can like deepen up the orange a little bit and make it more orangey. Now I'm going in with another orange shade, and it's like a little deeper than the other one, and I'm just applying that in like the lower crease area, like above the other shade, and just blending it into the crease to make it like even deeper. I was trying to go with like a orange like theme or whatever, but it kind of didn't turn out as orange as I wanted it to, but it turned out okay, I guess. Now I'm going in with another orange shade, and this is like a little deeper, like more deeper, and I'm just using this to like, I wanted to do a half cut crease, so I just applied it like in the outer corner of my eyelid and blended it into the crease to like create like something. Now I'm going in with a little bit of the brown shade, and just to deepen up the outer corner and the crease a little bit to make it like more orangey and brown, kind of like a fall look or something. Now I'm gonna take this gold shimmer shade. I thought it was like a dark gold, but it's whatever. It still looked good either way, but I'm just taking this shade and applying it to where I cut my crease. So now I'm gonna use this eyeliner that I got in my Ipsy clam bag, and it's by Sugar, I think. If you're still watching, comment down below and let me know what are you guys doing for Thanksgiving. I'm not doing much probably. I was gonna like take pictures and stuff depending on how I'm feeling, but most likely I'm just gonna like eat food and stuff. Now I'm gonna use the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I'm gonna use the Pond's moisturizer to moisturize my face. Now I'm gonna use the e.l.f. face primer to prime my face. Now I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild the Photo Focus Dewy Foundation in the shade Porcelain. Now I'm gonna use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade Fair. Use the Irrespond face powder to in the shade Translucent to set my entire face. Contour my face using the Profusion contour palette. Now I'm gonna use this LA Colors Red Rouge blush, and it's in the shade Awesome, and I'm gonna apply it to my cheekbone. I'm gonna use this Nika K brown lip liner and this LA Colors liquid lipstick. So here is the finished look. I like the way that it turned out. It turned out pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and follow me on my social media, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.